How to turn on performance mode on your Android device. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a quick and easy way to turn on performance mode on your Android device. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to do here is go ahead and find your gaming hub or something similar. So just tap on the game hub because this is where you manage all of your games and you especially need your performance mode while gaming. Tap on the three dots at the top right, and then go to Game Booster. Once you go to the Game Booster settings, you can find the Game Optimization. Make sure that this is selected to Performance, and you've turned on the Performance mode. Now you can even customize it for your individual games. Tap on Customization for individual games, select any one of your games, tap on Game Optimization, and make sure you select Performance here. You can also increase the FPS on the game using the slider, make it go up all the way to 60 FPS, and increase the screen resolution as well. Move the slider all the way to the right side and tap on save. You can do this for any game you want individually and you should be good to go. Also make sure that your display is set to the highest FPS. So go to display, go to motion smoothness or motion standard, just tap on it, go to high, and tap on apply. Once you do that, give your phone a quick restart. Long press on the power button, tap on restart, and you should be good to go. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.